is up, YouTube? It's I Can Swim here with another tech tutorial made easy. In today's video, we're going to be continuing a previous video where we covered how to fix the Xbox One randomly turning off. Still giving you trouble? You can try a few more things before you take a hammer to your console. First thing we're going to try, first and foremost, is a hard reset. A lot of times, this is going to fix, like a computer, 99.9999% of issues. So, there's a few different ways we can do this. The most simple is going to be coming right up to your Xbox console and holding that Xbox logo for at least 30 seconds. So we're just going to do that now, and you're going to watch the screen go blank. If a hard reset did not solve your problem, as it does with most cases, or does not, what you're going to want to do next is come back to that jumble of cables behind every single human being's TV. We all have that. You can see mine here. And just have a quick look at your power block here. So you can see with mine, it is a solid light. A lot of times that will also be orange, which is fine. If it is flickering or off, it is time to replace your power block. That is going to be the source of the issue. If not, we're going to come back into settings and try a straight network disconnect. So we're going to click Forgot Wireless Network. It is going to then disconnect you from your home network. We are then going to restart the console again and try reconnecting back to everything. If that doesn't work, we're going to come down to power mode and startup. In here, we're going to see a bunch of different settings, most of which are okay to leave as default, but the one that's highlighted right now, turn off after, we want to make sure we switch this to don't turn off automatically. And sometimes, what happens is the console is going to shut everything down, but it can get hung up on games or parts of games, just the data that's within the game. And that can cause even more issues and cause your console to crash. So you want to make sure that you come down and select Do Not Turn Off Automatically, and you're only going to turn off the console yourself. If the problem persists, the next thing we're going to do is turn off the console, and you're going to first try to take some compressed air and shoot it into the fan area on the back of the console. In the event that doesn't work and your console is not under warranty, if it is under warranty, it is time to call Microsoft. Stop trying to fix it yourself. It is way beyond what we as consumers can do. If it's out of warranty, you are going to attempt, if you are technically sound, you are going to try to open the console and see if there is a big chunk of dust right where that air is trying to escape from the console. A lot of times you will see, if you have a cat or some other animal, there will be hair in there. As soon as you remove it, your console sparks back to life. It's a miracle, isn't it? No, it's just common sense. If you do not feel confident doing that, sometimes the next Xbox is right around the corner. Maybe it's time to play that PS4 that's in your closet, or Xbox 360 for that matter. Fingers crossed it works. I hope it helps you. But hopefully your issue is the simple one and a restart will fix it, or just some compressed air and you'll be good to go. That's going to wrap up this video, guys. If it helped you, don't forget to like. If you're new around here, you know what to do. Smack that subscribe button, get those notifications turned on, and make sure you head over to the official I Can Swim 70 website, where you will find a wealth of information. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, make sure to drop them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And I will catch you guys on the next one.